pakain natin, guys. Let's try it. So, masarap siya, guys. It's a winner. And I'm planning to make another one. But, half-half siya. Half na wheat flour. And then, white na bread flour, guys. And, let's see kung ano yung kalabasan niya. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it today or tomorrow. Yeah, kasi 10:30 na, guys. Yung mga aso namin nasa labas pa. And, hindi ko pa pinapakain yung mga... yung mga animals namin. So, sunduin ko muna yung mga aso namin sa garden. And then, magpakain na ako ng mga animals. So, see you guys later. Alright guys, so mga aso namin nandito na sila. Ayan si Everest. Tapos yung isa nasa kabilang room, guys. So, magpapakain na ako ng mga animals namin. Hello friends! So, nandito na ako sa loob ng bahay namin. Nabigyan ko na ng pagkain lahat ng mga animals, mga chickens, goats and sheep, and water also. Mga aso din namin na bigyan ko na rin kanina. And now it's time to stay inside the house and do something. I'm thinking to make another bread, guys, because I want my girls to have bread anytime they want. And because Hailey uses bread every day, she eats bread every day at school, guys. Because imagine from 8 o'clock in the morning until 2:30 in the afternoon. So she must be very, very hungry. So her first breakfast normally sandwich bread, and then after that a piece of fruit like apple, banana, or any fruit that we have at home, guys. So yun ang kinakain niya. And then once you arrive home, of course, lunch time. I'm going to make the bread, and I think I'm going to use the bread machine. Yes, guys, I'm going to use the bread machine. So I'm thinking to make 2. I'm not sure. I will let you know, guys, later, okay? Forgot to tell you that we also have cat in our garage, and now I'm going to give food as well, and I will take that advantage to bring up 1 whole chicken because we have another fridge in our garage, guys. So kukuha tayo ng chicken doon para i-defrost natin the whole day, or ilagay natin sa ref para doon na lang ma-defrost. That is for lunch tomorrow. At the moment, guys, yung 10 euros lang ang nagasto natin. 10 euros and 9 cents. Yun lang ang nagastos natin kahapon. And then today, because I'm not thinking to buy any food today, because as I've said that I know what I'm going to cook these days, guys. So for example, today for lunch I'm going to steam vegetables, green peas, carrots, and potatoes. And then to go with that, I'm going to boil eggs, guys, hard-boiled eggs, and then we mix together. Hailey loves to add mayonnaise, guys, with her food. So yun. Tapos ako naman may rice pa kahapon. Yung isang araw pa yun, guys. So, we still have rice. And also, yung inabraw or dinengdeng or bulanglang. So, I still have that. Tapos, yung itlog din na may ampalaya. Tapos, may pansit din pala kami, guys, nung Saturday. Yeah. So, yun ang kakainin ko, guys. Si Lakota naman, tonight na lang siya kakain kasi as I've told you that she's eating every day at school. So, yun lang. Now, I'm going to give food to our animals, guys. I mean, to our cat. Okay, guys. So, ito ang ibigay natin sa ating pusa. And then, guys, Tuesday and Thursday, my English class ako, guys. Pumupunta dito yung mga bata. So, today, this afternoon, yeah, I have work. Just 1 hour lang naman for the meantime. Dati, nung nasa town kami nakatira, yun everyday from Monday to Friday. Tapos, 4 hours everyday, guys. Imagine. But, ngayon, na dito na kami sa bukid. syempre mga bata, hindi sila makapunta dito maglakad. Kailangan talaga nilang sumakay guys ng sasakyan. Tapos yung mga lolo, lola naman dito, mga iba, may driver's license sila. Tapos yung iba, wala. So, hindi sila makapunta dito to learn English. Pero yung dalawa kong estudyante, yung parents nila, they are very willing na yung mga anak nila ay mag-aral ng English. So, they take turns. So, yung isang mother, siya ang magdadala sa kanila. Tapos, yung nanay naman ng isa, siya ang susundo. So, ganun ang ginagawa nila, guys. Yeah. So, salitan sila, guys. Okay, enough talking and now we are going to give this. Alright, guys. So, sinamahan ko yung mga aso namin. Pinalabas ko ulit sila, guys. Sinamahan ko sila at naglakad kami dyan sa labas. And, yun nga, pinakain ko na yung pusa namin. Tapos, I got frozen fish. Guys, ayan. So, ito ang uulamin ko these days. Tapos, ito naman, chicken natin. Frozen chicken. Ito yung ano guys, ito yung i-defrost natin. Ilagay lang natin sa ref para ma-defrost siya doon guys. Tapos, ito ang ulamin natin. These days, bukas. Guys, bukas ito ang uulamin ng mga bata. Uulamin namin. Breaded chicken, guys. Chicken breast. Breaded chicken breast. And then, maybe fried legs and wings. Yun ang recipe nito. Tapos, ito naman, guys. Ano na lang. Just fried. Masarap ito, guys. This is rodaballo o turbot. It's also turbot. Turbot, in English, is a type of flat fish. A large diamond-shaped fish known for its delicate white flesh and prized flavor. Rodaballo, yeah. So it's also turbot, guys, in English. Turbot. Yeah. It lives in cold waters, mainly the North Atlantic, Baltic Sea, and Mediterranean, and is considered a luxury fish often served in fine dining. Wow! So, yun. Yun, gusto kong fry kasi guys. So, yun ang uulamin ko. These days, I'm not sure kung ma-defrost siya kaagad. Basta, I'll let it defrost here. Siguro for dinner yan, guys. For me. And then, I'm thinking for Hailey's dinner. I'm not sure, guys. Kung ma-defrost yung chicken na rin ang iluto ko. So, let's see guys kung what I'm going to cook for her and Lakota. And Lakota, she can have our food for lunch. Yun nga, green peas, carrots, and potatoes na steam. And then the hard-boiled eggs. Yes guys, so yun. Okay guys, so magla-lunch na ako. Time check is 12:50, almost 1 na guys in the afternoon, and then quarter past 2. I will go and pick up again my daughter, guys. Yeah, so inirest na natin guys yung bread. Let it rest for 1 hour or when double in size, and then ano guys, i-shape natin into a loaf. And then we let it rest again for 1 hour or until the size is doubled. And then we can bake it, guys. So, yeah, kain muna tayo. Lunch tayo, guys. So, ang uulamin ko ay yun nga sinabi ko na kanina, no? Na I have rice, yung ampalaya, and then yung dinengdeng. So, that's what I'm going to eat for lunch, guys. So, kain tayo! Hello guys, so my daughter is at home and she's having lunch. And now, umalsa na guys yung tinapay. Hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ko ni-roll or whatsoever. Now, I'm going to show you. Katatanggal ko lang guys sa oven. Kasi pinapainit ko na para ilagay na natin. Kasi, okay na guys. Ready nang i-bake ang ating bread. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? So, bale, dalawa yung ginawa ko. Ayan. Kuberan natin para di madry. Hello guys! So, ayan. Na-bake na natin ang ating bread. At nilagyan ko na rin ng, ano guys, ng butter on top. Kaya medyo shiny na siya. And yeah, I'm so happy! So may dalawa tayong sandwich loaf bread guys na half whole wheat and half bread flour. So ayan. I can't wait guys to slice this one, but because it is very hot and we have to wait. Yeah, and then here in a little bit I'm going to pick up my youngest daughter, and meanwhile I'm going to prepare her snack kasi ano yun guys, hungry siya pag dumarating sa bahay, and because I also have class. So, ayun, mas maganda, mas mainam na i-prepare ko na yung snacks niya guys na sandwich. And then, yung drinks niya. Para sa ganun mamaya, hindi ako mag-aapura guys kasi I have class at 5 to 6. So, yun. Alright guys, so tapos na ang klase ko and gutom ako guys. So, time check is 6:39 na guys ng gabi. Pero may araw pa rin kami. But this weekend, papalitan na nila ang oras guys. So, halimbawa, 6:30 ngayon. So, starting Sunday, ano na siya guys? 5:30. So, 1 hour backwards. And then in springtime, 1 hour forward. Ganun guys. So, every spring and autumn, nagpapalit kami ng oras. I mean, 1 hour backwards and 1 hour forward. Ganun lang guys. Yeah. So, nasasanay na ang mga tao sa mga ganung style guys. The whole Europe, yeah. So, ano guys, gagawa ko ng sandwich. Gagawa ko ng grilled sandwich, yung parang ginawa ko kaninang umaga. So, that will be my dinner. Okay guys, so this is my dinner. So, ito na lang yung natira. This is the only left from our first, guys. No, yung second na nagawa natin na sandwich loaf. Kasi yung first, if you remember, it was failed. And ito yung second, so ito na lang yung natira guys. Yung end part na lang. And then, if the kids want, like what I'm going to eat, then I can slice one of those. So, kain tayo! Hello guys, so ito yung baon ni Hailey. Can you see guys, this is the first na whole wheat bread na ginawa natin. Ayan, half na lang siya kasi dinner namin kagabi guys. And ito yung baon ni Hailey. Ganyan guys, yung itsura ng half whole wheat and half bread flour. So, ang ganda, diba? Kasi yung whole wheat, marami siyang fiber, guys. That is why it's very good for our body. Really good for the tummy. So, ganyan, guys. So, yan. Yung sa kanya. And, an apple.